Hi everybody, welcome back. This is the S-Man for S-Man Gaming, and this right here is episode 13 of our Ark Survival Ascended series. A couple of things changed a little bit while we were gone. Actually what I'm doing is thinking about coming over to this mountain over here on the right side of that obelisk over there, and we're going to try and find an RG, but there's a lot of things we got to do first. Right now, if we're going to go find an RG, I am going to have to find a couple more pteranodons. At least one, just in case this bird dies. And over in here, we got dinos walking in and out all the time, just disturbing what we're doing and everything. So I might fence this off a little bit. I did come around the back here and put a little porch right here. Let me show you guys that, where we put the fabricator. Not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. We'll close it in. We'll expand the base a little bit more. This is just the one base. We're going to have them all over the island. Different islands, actually, in different zones. But for now, let me show you the back here. Hey, there's Klepto. I pick him up, put him back on my shoulder here. So we got our fabricator here, and we got a little bit of a deck. I'm not the best builder, so I'm going to try and get some tips on what I want to do, and I'll look at different things and see what we're going to do with this whole base right here. But over there is where we're going eventually to get our RG. And I think we're going to have to get some... Oh, we got to make a saddle for that beaver. So, right now we're just going to look around, and we're going to see what kind of levels these birds are here, because I've been getting all these little level birds, and I just keep wiping them out. Every time I see one, I just kill it, and I hope that they spawn a little bit better. So we're going to check some of these out. Yeah, they're a little bit higher. They're still 10s and 12s, but nothing big yet. And I've gotten pretty many of them. So it's taken a while to see some higher levels, but that's okay, as long as we got something that can fly us back to the bases that we need to go to. For now, we'll level them up as we go, and I'm just going to settle for the smaller ones. Just like I did with the beaver. You know, if we got to get a level 1 or a 2, I'm not ashamed, as long as we get something to get wood with. So let me see, we're going to need some bolas. Let's see here. I don't know exactly how many there are here, but I want to get at least 1, maybe 2, maybe I'll tame 3, just so we have extras, and we'll just let them level up. So let's see, what's this guy down here? There's one on the ground there. Yep, this one over here. So we do have them flying around. Like I said, none of them are too big of levels. Yeah, he's small too. But better than nothing, right? So far, so good. That's the biggest one I've seen so far. Let's see if we can get some of these guys to land, and we'll just bowl with them and start taming them up. There's this guy over here. Come here, you. Can't really see. I should just get on the ground with my spyglass. It's a little easier to spot their levels. Trying to move and sneak up behind them. I guess we'll go for you too. I might do all of them. That way we sacrifice them, we're not really too worried about it. So let's hope he lands. Let's hope somebody lands, and we'll just start from there. Come on. You're the highest one right now, so... Okay, it looks like he's trying to go down. Now he's gonna be finicky. Yeah, hopefully we can get the levels on all these animals to start raising, because I haven't really seen any high tames yet. Everything's level 1 to level 18 or something. Okay, he's going down. Let's quick snag him. pull him up. Was a little close to the trike there, but that's okay. One shot should put him down. And these guys, even though they're such low levels, they do take a while to tame up, so I'm going to make sure I have some narcotics and stuff. What do we got over here? Let's see if we can get some prime meat. That'll help the taming go a little quicker. Got a stego here. First time I actually pulled the shotgun out. 2 shots up there, yeah. That should get us some prime meat. I think we gotta hatchet them to get prime meat, alright? Is it the hatchet or the pick? Which one does more? I think it's the hatchet. Yeah. So we'll get some prime to put in the bird. Let's see, is there anything else over here? Shotgun. Let's go looking for another one here. We'll let him get hungry for a bit. If we can find a baby, that'll give us some prime. And over here we got another stego. 2 shots didn't do it for you? Uh-oh. It was a little tougher than the last one. 3 shots. Eventually I want to get that fabricator up and running too, so we're going to need electronics. We're probably going to have to make a run to the volcano. I think you need pearls and you need what else do you need to I'm just trying to take this brother down for some prime here. Whoa! Whack me there. I gotta make sure I don't die just trying to get prime meat. How many shots does it take to take a bronco down? This little shotgun. It's the second hit we took. He's running though. Come here. Watch out for that tail. There we go. That ought to be enough prime between those two, huh? Ooh, and if any of them have babies, we can get the baby, and that's good prime meat too. Because I am planning on getting more than one bird today. Now, what I want to do, what I was saying was, we might have to go to Volcano and get some obsidian. I think it's obsidian and pearls that'll give you polymer, and then we could use that in the fabricator. Not polymer, electronics, I'm sorry. Because I want to make a Jenny to run the fabricator. Okay, so we got some prime here. Let's make sure this guy isn't waking up. It's going down fast, so let's throw some of this in here. Not too hard getting prime meat on this island, and with the new game and the babies offering prime, if you harvest babies, that does it too. So it makes it a lot easier to get prime and tame up some of these animals on the islands. Okay. Let's move you out of the way. You're a little too close to the bird. Okay, this one down. Grab some berries here. And I know I got narcotics in the base, just in case. There's another one over there. I think we could just knock you out. But instead I'm going to use you for some meat. You're just way too little. If we're going to tame, we want to tame a little bit higher level than that. Let me rearrange some things here. don't want them punies all over the island here. Let's go look for a little bit better one. I didn't really see too many higher levels than the one we just got. Can't really see the number. Just follow you to the ground. Probably gonna end up tame. I don't know what the heck I'm punching. Come on. Fingers ain't working today. Come here, you. Shot is done. Who needs a bolo when you're that lower level? Okay, you're a little level 10. Put some regular meat in there for now. Some narcotics in there, some berries. Make sure that you stay asleep for a while. Okay. Other one's going down already. Well, these guys definitely don't stay asleep for too long, no matter what it is you're taming. That changed in the game. Torpidity goes down a lot quicker. Let's see here. We are here. Come here. There's another puny. Yeah, we don't want you at all. Take care of you right away. Shark bait. Okay, that one's got a little bit of time yet. What do we got over here? We got a baby. So if we take care of the one, we got 2 babies here. That'll give us some prime meat. Okay, that was quick and easy. We don't need any more trikes, that's for sure. Let's take the shotgun out here. We have to harvest you in the water. There's no sharks around. Where are ya? Where are ya? There you are. Hard to float and harvest. Get back up here. Where'd the other one go? There was 2. We'll get them on, we'll get some keratin. We're still gonna need saddles. Where's the other one? Ah, there you are. You're way out there. So I'd let you just swim to our base. If a shark don't get you, it'll get you too. Give it a minute here. The babies do at least give you some prime meat. Uh-oh, our other bird's about to get up, I think. I'm gonna have to re-bola that guy. Yep, he got up. That's alright. He's not gonna go too far. We'll just get him again and we'll have prime meat to feed him. Come on, baby. We're gonna get him. I'm just gonna swim. We'll risk it. Can I get this little thing and swim? Come here. That gave us some prime. You get pretty many from them little dudes. You get, I think we got 20 prime there or something like that. Come over here and call the bird back. I don't know if he would have swam over to the base or not, so I just grabbed him in the water. Come here, you. Here's your butt. Yeah, our other bird got up, so better go find him again. Probably just walking around like nothing happened. Where is he? Definitely gone. Is that him? check on the other one quick. I don't want him to wake up like the first one did. I got some narcotics in use, so let's release meat. Look at all that meat you get when you harvest animals. Nothing but prime, baby. He's not going to obviously eat all that, but we'll transfer it over to the next one then. I think if it's in the bird, it actually lasts longer. So I'm going to fill them up. Make sure he stays sleeping. Okay. Let's see how quick he tames up. Man, it's getting cold again. I'm gonna have to make a fireplace later on. I kept wondering why I was dying in the earlier episodes. Here, it was just getting cold. Nothing was breaking or anything, but we were dying. And now I got that little cold icon over there again. I'm gonna have to make some warmer clothes. We'll put a fireplace in the house. At least we can run in there and get warm. Because this is crazy. It gets nighttime and get cold. I better make some... Can I make a campfire here? Getting cold. Stone hide. Let's get awful low. Looks like we're gonna make at least campfires. I don't know if we're gonna make it. How much stone does it take? Those little rocks ain't giving me much. Stone, wood, hide. Health's going down. I don't know if we can warm up fast enough. We're gonna make it. We're gonna die right here on the beach. Come on, craft up, craft up. Don't know if we can get warm enough if we're running out of time. At least it'll be there for next time. It's not like we're far from our bed. It does take them a while to warm up. We might not make it. I think we're gonna do ourselves in right here. Can we get warm? Can we get warm? Too cold. Oh well. Like I said. We'll just go right back to our bed. No biggie. Get out of the way there. Bird's sitting in the fire like a dummy. He come running over when I died. Tried to protect me and got stuck in the fire. Okay, we'll pick up Klepto here. I think I'm gonna have to drag my body out of there. Don't need to be cooking that. Best to pick you up. Okay. Smoke from the fire. Well, we got fires up anyway, so next time we get cold, at least we can warm. Look, we're cold already. Crying out loud. We'll put our clothes back on. Yeah, we definitely got to build a fireplace today. Maybe we'll go with the hide, huh? It's a little warmer. Cloth. Craft some of those up. See if that helps. Must be cold at night here. Okay, let's We can put a hat on. Myself, our high boots, our gloves, pants and shirt. Still cold. Let's warm our buns by the fire here. There's a torch, that helps. That should raise our health. Yeah, now we got warm, our health went up some. Big fat Fiona just walked by and put out our fire. Or we ran out of wood. And we can use thatch. Gonna burn a little bit. Heat is heat. Gonna get our health up anymore. Then we got a torch going and we're leaning into the fire. Our health bar went up some. So hopefully it stays going up now. Let's see how it goes. This guy still didn't even start taming yet. See how long these birds take to tame? I want to get more than one. Have a couple going at once. Can't believe how quick they don't stay awake for too long, that's for sure. It's a good thing we got a lot of trikes for berries. Always get more narcotics. Okay, nighty night, stay sleeping. Should start taming soon. He's got nothing but prime in there. My nose is running from the cold. Alright, should we get another bird? No, he's nice and asleep now. Not taming though. What's wrong with you? Damn, for such a low level, you should just tame right up. Got nothing. Oh well. At least he's gonna be asleep for a while. We'll leave him there. Be able to keep an eye on him with his indicator. Well, I'm walking around right down here amongst everybody. Oh, they're so low. I'm just gonna use the gun. I'm not even wasting bolas on these guys. We'll just use a dart. They go right down one shot. Give them regular meat for now. And we'll go grab some prime from the other bird. We have enough of that, that's for sure. Okay. He's still not taming though. Can't believe how long they're taking to start. I'm gonna take this trike and get a little bit more keratin and meat. Just gonna take him with this other trike here because he's got to be chasing me. Here he is. Hopefully he got a baby. Some more prime. These guys are doing this. Where are you? Run away. Try again. There you go. fighting. He's a brave little guy. I'm doing really good. Did I kill my bird? I think so. Oh man, I'm batting 1,000. I tell ya. Put these down here. Oh, remind me I have them. Well, that was unsuccessful. Yep. Oh well. Hopefully a better one will spawn in. Nothing. He's still not taming, okay? This one here. Oh, that was the other bird that we killed. I was just still taming. It's a good thing. I thought that the trike fighting actually killed it. But he's over here. Okay, let's get the meat off of this trike. Eating high. And some carrots. Something's tickling my throat today, making me cough. Must be pollen here. That is because we keep getting cold in the game. Okay. Third time's the charm. Let's find another bird. Yeah, one flying over there. Wow, we just all of a sudden tamed up. Well, I'm voicing this over right now, so maybe he was taming and I couldn't see it because I'm looking at a very small screen. He must have been taming all that time. It looked like he wasn't taming at all. That prime went to nothing, no. Or he ate it all. Okay, so that's one. As long as when we go to get an RG, we got something to fly back on, just in case we die over there trying to get an RG. We want to have a couple of spares. And if we gotta land stamina all the way back, you know, it's not having a bird. Or get back over there to get our bag. Happen to croak. We can always get back. Now this guy. Make sure that we keep him asleep. How good he's going to tame up with just regular meat. That bird took him down anyway. Yeah, I definitely want to make a fence or something because we got all these, look at this, a Fioma now. They just keep wandering in and they keep distracting me and getting in the way. No matter what I'm doing, there's animals wandering in. So we're going to have to take care of that problem. After this guy. I want to keep collecting prime and I want to keep collecting keratin because we need saddles. So we got a little bit of both on that stego there. And it keeps them off our property. Guess we can give you that piece of prime. It's not going to do too much. I think there's only one, right? Okay, what else we got around here? Another stego over there. And it's got a baby. Got a baby? Yes, it is. source here. Also, now there's lots of prime over here. Okay, that's one down. What, are you kidding me? 2 shots with the shotgun and you're still going. Okay, let's see if we can get you with the hatchet. There's no sharks. Some of these little ones are tough. Harvest them before I drown. Now I'm cold. Come on. Get a lot of prime now. Killed the fish in the process. Where's the shore? Plus we still got a mama and a baby stego over here. Two shots and you didn't go down. Shot this guy. Stego's a little different. Now the mom's gonna be mad. So just throw out of her for a second. Parasors always get away. She's sticking us. We got her down. Well, that should be enough prime for those birds. Well, for the next bird anyway. Something's really tickling my throat today. Where'd the baby go? What happened? Where'd it go? My bird eater? Do they just disappear after a while if you don't collect them right away? Huh. We got prime under that. Okay, let's see. He's about to wake up again. Yeah, he did. He must have grabbed that baby. So put some of this in. He's still got polymer in him. Okay. What am I doing? I need those. Fill them up. Where's my narcotics? Oh, they went back in the bar. That's right. Okay. Should be bird number 2. Should be enough to make him. Oh yeah, quick. Once that prime meat hit him, that just filled him with narcotics too. This thing's gonna pass out on me. Let's see if we can. That's a lot of prime to get another bird. Let's take some of this out. Maybe do regular meat. Put our narcotics back. So that's 2. And there he goes. I knew he was gonna face plant from that, all the products I gave him. Well, that's 2 birds plus the one we got. That's 3. So we're collecting these little pterodons right now. We'll make sure we have a bunch of flyers ready. Maybe we could get one more. And then we'll move on for the day. Okay. you're the boy, you can be Fly Boy. Definitely don't want to breed these guys, they're just way too low levels. Another boy here. So you could... Really? And we got a female here. What do we want to name you? We need a girl name. It could be, How's that? Any stem berries to wake you up? That's some. I have to collect a little more. Probably got them in the dregs. Yeah, we got some here. If you ever want to wake up the tame, feed them stem berries if they're just passed out from narcotics or whatever. If a snake bites them or something. You usually wake them up with stem berries and move the process along. So, they wake up then, you know. I think I just fed them to the wrong bird. They're all grouped together. Again? Oh, you gotta move, you guys. There's one over here. Should we take this one too? Might as well while we're on a roll, huh? You get down pretty quick with one shot. Dropped like a stone. That'll be enough birds for today. Don't tell me the prime went bad already. Oh, it doesn't last long, does it? Stop one of them. I'm just gonna start getting nuts. They start flying everywhere. I need some more narcotics. Cold. And of course, we don't have wood. Should we? Yeah, we better, huh? Better definitely make that fireplace. Okay, let's get some food real quick. Keep you asleep. We woke up quick. Give me them back. And we got another girl here. Alright, let's rename you. You can be Bella. Okay. So what's that, 4 altogether? 1, 2. One over here, right? Yeah, there's 4 altogether. So that's a good start. I love when those narcotics take effect. At least he's safe over here. And we got some stem berries here for him. I'm sure the trucks are loaded with them. Yeah, we got some up here. We got plenty. So she'll be back up in no time too. Let's see here. See the torpedo go down. So it won't be long until she's back up and awake. That's pretty much what I wanted to get done in this episode, is get a couple of birds anyway. I don't want it to go too long. So probably just gonna put some stuff away. And we'll have to get to it. How much keratin do we have? We're gonna need saddles, of course. I do got the klepto here, has a lot of cementing paste in them yet that we gotta unload. We're making more narcotics soon. Let's see. More keratin there. Keratin and chitin. We got narcos in there too, so that's a good thing. Alright, give me a second here. Cementing paste. Let's see. What's it take for a fireplace? Let's click there. Quick do that in this episode. We're gonna need some things. Try and make this quick. That'll be good for this episode, but I want to get the fireplace in. Make sure we got everything we need. A little bit of wood, a little bit of stone. Cold at night is definitely a problem. So walk into a nice warm base, that works. That'll solve a lot of that problem. Less getting cold and dying on the beach. Okay, we got enough for a fireplace. Let's craft that up. Let's get rid of this cabinet because that's the only place I think I can put it right now. So move this stuff over, destroy the cabinet, pick it up anyway, and we'll put the fireplace right there. Down here. Not the prettiest place for it, but it'll give us heat. Put some wood in it for now. We have to get more wood for it, that's all. Okay. That's gonna end this episode, and we will continue in the next one and go back to the other island. See you then.